Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to the online coaching class of English. This class is for the preparation of your entrance exam for admission to meritorious schools. So, let us start. Myself, Priyanka Chopra, SS Mistress, Government Girl High School, Gandhinagar, Jalandhar. Students, today our topic is MCQs from the text, and the topic particularly I am going to take is from the main course book lesson 1 and 2. So let us start. Before starting our chapter, let's have a look at the types of questions. What are the types of MCQs you will get in the exam? The types will be fill in the blanks, what, why, and where type of questions. All these you have done in your 10th class. Like why was the happy prince crying? What was this fellow doing? War is the dash example of all. Like these kinds of questions. Next, the types of options. Beta options की आनियाँ हैं. For example, you will get a question. उसके नीचे 4 options आनियाँ हैं. Right? वो 4 options ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ हैं वो भी different type ਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ. For example, simple options, all of these and none of these. Now, what does this all of these or none of these indicate? Let us have a look. For example, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ questions show ਕਰਾਂਗੀ. The swallow helped a girl a writer, and the next option is all of these. Right? The swallow helped the girl also, the writer also. So the correct option will be all of these. There can be one more options like the seamstress also. So the option will be all of these. All of these मतलब ए ऊपर वाले सारे. Next option है ਜਿਹੜੀ कि none of these. बेटा none of these ਦਾ मतलब ਹੁੰਦਾ है कि ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ options ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ. ठीक है, कोई भी ना होवे, then it becomes none of these. So this is all about types of options. Let us start. First chapter is the Happy Prince. Name the writer of the story, The Happy Prince. The writer of the story, The Happy Prince, is Oscar Wilde. This you have to remember. So the writer is Happy Prince is Oscar Wilde. Where was the statue of Happy Prince put up? In a temple, town hall, center of a public garden, high above the city on a tall column. Again here students, you have done this in your chapter that the statue stood on a high column above the city. So the correct option is D. What was the statue of Happy Prince covered with? The statue of Happy Prince covered with options. What are the options? Silver, gold, platinum, sapphires and rubies. Now here some students get confused that it can be rubies and sapphires. Students, the statue was covered with gold. Sapphires was for the eyes and rubies were on the sword. But it was covered with gold. Right? Next question. What did the Happy Prince have on his sword hilt? This I have told you that he had on his sword hilt a big ruby. So C is the correct option. Where did the swallow decide to spend the night? Under a tree, on the shoulder, between the feet, under the tall column where the statue stood. Again here, some students get confused that swallow sat on the shoulder. But here the question is, where did he spend the night? वो shoulder ते बैठा सी बेटा, पर उन्हें अपनी रात किथे गुजारी सी? Between the feet of the happy prince. So the correct option is C. Next question. What did the swallow see when he looked up? When he looked up, he saw the eyes of the happy prince filled with tears. He saw tears running down the golden cheeks, both A and B, neither A or B. बेटा both A and B अगर first two correct होंगे and neither A nor B अगर दोनों जो कोई भी correct नहीं होगा. Now see here, when he saw both the things, that eyes were filled with tears and the tears were running down his golden cheeks. So first भी ठीक है, second भी ठीक है. So the correct option will be C, both A and B. The swallow looked up when the dash drop of water fell on him. This is very important question. When the first and the second drop fell on the swallow, he thought that it is raining. उन्हें लगा कि शायद बारिश हो रही है. But when the third drop fell on him, he looked up. And what he saw? कि happy prince, the अखान, they were filled with tears. Right? Next question is, the swallow asked the happy prince, why was he weeping, laughing, smiling or crying? So the correct option here is D, why was he crying? The happy prince said that he could see his palace, city mayor, happy children, all the misery and the ugliness of the city. बेटा जो एक स्टैचू सीगा वो देख सब कुछ सकता सी, बट उन्हें कहा की सी कि वो की देख सकता है? All the misery and the ugliness of his city, जिन्हें करके वो दुखी सी and he was crying. Next question is, what did the statue of happy prince have for its eyes? ਇਹ क्वेश्चन बेटा मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਈਜ਼ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀਗਾ. ਉਹਦੀ ਆਈਜ਼ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ two bright sapphires. So the next is, the happy prince said that his heart was made of. Now students again ਇੱਥੇ confuse नहीं होना. गोल्ड ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ, ਗੋਲਡ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਸਫਾਇਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ and rubies were on his sword, but his heart was made of lead. So lead is the correct option and the answer is option A. Now the next question, the little boy of the seamstress had the fever and he was asking his mother for water, bread, oranges or apples. This you have read in the chapter, that the boy was ill and he was crying for oranges, right? Next students, let us start with our chapter number 2, which is, where is science taking us? Now we will be doing MCQs related to this chapter, so let us start. Who is the author of the chapter Where is Science Taking Us? Oscar Wilde, R.K. Narayanan, Dr. S.W. Pennyquick and Rabindranath Tagore. Beta, the poets of all the poems. This is very important. You have to learn these by heart. एक MCQs जरूर इस पे based आएगा. Either poem दे poets थे और chapters दे authors थे. एक question जरूर it will be there in your exam. So basically more important is poems. तुसी ये चंगी तरह learn करने हैं. So here the author of the chapter is Dr. S.W. Pennyquick. So third is the correct option. Now next, science is doing nothing in regard to what? Material values, human values, moral and spiritual values, none of these. This is a question from your textbook, that science is doing nothing in regard to moral and spiritual values. Beta, you have to answer the MCQs based on your chapter only, right? So we can find machines in factory, home, school, everywhere. We can find machine in a factory, yes, home, yes, school, yes. So the correct answer is everywhere. Here the other option can also be all of these. Agar all of these option hundi, tami answer which ki hona si all of these, because we find these in a factory, home and school. Next, what qualities are really needed in the world today? This is again a question from your textbook. Mercy, charity, forbearance, and all of these. So the correct answer is all of these, because 5 marks wala question hai jehda tada, in that we say that mercy, charity, forbearance, goodness and love for mankind is needed. Next question is, which age group is overcrowded today? Lower, upper, middle and all of these. And this is again a question. Upper age group is overcrowded today with the invention of drugs. War is the dash. Example, good, bad, worst, none of these. It is there in the book that war is the worst examples. Science is doing dash then nothing. And options are less, more, many, much. These all are determiners, less, more, many and much. But in context with the chapter accordingly, the correct option is less. That science is doing less than nothing. Man has become dash of slaves. Master, friend, partner and slave. And man has become the slave of machines because he is dependent on machines for everything. War is the greatest dash of science. The options are victory, triumph, celebration, none of these. And the correct option is triumph. And what does triumph means? Triumph means हार. War ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, ਲੜਾਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਹਾਰ ਹੈ. ਇਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਨ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਤੇ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ. Next, a machine is a dash. Robot, a man, a boy and a girl. Machine की है? Machine is a robot. It is a non-living thing. All these are living things. ठीक है? Which discovery of science has made the upper age group overcrowded? एक क्वेश्चन आप पहला भी पढ़ चुके हैं that upper age group has become overcrowded due to the invention of weapons, food, materials and drugs. And the correct option is drugs. Drugs here means medicines. I hope all the MCQs are clear to you. Revise them thoroughly. Now I will be sending you a worksheet related to these two chapters in the evening. These are the other MCQs related to the chapter The Happy Prince and Where is the Science Taking Us. You will be getting this worksheet in the evening. Please do these very carefully and you can ask me if you have any doubt.